Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best portable garage on Amazon. A portable garage is a structure that provides a ceiling and walls in some cases for your vehicle and garage supplies. Description: I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gardesol Carport Extra Large Heavy Duty Portable Garage. When it comes to protecting your valuable vehicles from the elements, the Gardesol Carport offers a reliable and durable solution. Designed with exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, this 12 into 20-foot extra-large heavy-duty carport is equipped with roll-up ventilated windows, removable side walls and doors, and an all-season tarp. The Gardesol Carport boasts a sturdy construction that ensures longevity and durability. Made with high-quality materials, it can withstand various weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, and strong winds. The robust frame, composed of heavy-duty steel, provides exceptional stability and structural integrity, ensuring your vehicles are protected all year round. One of the standout features of the Gardesol Carport is its roll-up ventilated windows. These windows allow for excellent airflow, preventing the build-up of moisture and condensation inside the carport. By maintaining a well-ventilated environment, the carport effectively prevents mold, mildew, and other potential issues, keeping your vehicle in pristine condition. Number 2. ShelterLogic Garage in a Box. This garage in a box is an all-season portable outdoor garage that's large enough to accommodate SUVs and full-size trucks. The structure features an all-steel frame with a powder-coated finish that won't chip, corrode, peel or rust. The cover is triple-layer ripstop polyethylene that is waterproof and treated to prevent fading, aging, and fungus formation. The shelter is sturdy, features an alpine frame, and is easy to assemble using bolt-together hardware at the connections. The roof is reinforced for durability. This garage has a door entrance that is 150 inches wide and 95.64 inches tall. Overall, it's well built and should last a few years before it needs to be replaced. However, it can be a bit of a challenge to set up by yourself. Also, the pulleys for the roll-up door are not the best quality, and you may need to replace them. Number 3. QuickTint Garage Gazebo. The materials that go into making the QuickTint Garage Gazebo make it one of the best enclosures for year-round use even under harsh weather. The tent cover is made from UV-protected polyethylene fabric, meaning that intense sun rays won't yellow the pristine white cover. Polyethylene is a hard-wearing material that's resistant to tearing. It's also waterproof and resistant to rot brought on by mold and mildew buildup. You won't have to worry about the wind blowing it down, since it's anchored with 8 heavy-duty, white powder-coated steel frames that are resistant to rust and corrosion. The poles are sturdy enough to take on the weight of pooled rainwater, fallen leaves, and snow. They are further reinforced with a steel base plate that keeps the tent steady and upright even on rugged terrain. Despite having steady steel frames, the sidewall covers can make it susceptible to strong winds. You would have to roll up the side covers if you want it to remain upright under intense winds. Moreover, the tent doesn't come with windows, and this can cause overheating issues when it's fully enclosed. Number 4. Advance Outdoor Peak Roof Anti-Snow Portable Garage. The Advance Outdoor Portable Garage is constructed with high-quality steel to ensure maximum durability and longevity. The robust steel frame provides exceptional stability, making it resistant to strong winds and adverse weather conditions. Rest assured, your valuable possessions will be protected within this sturdy structure for years to come. Convenience is paramount when it comes to the Advance Outdoor Portable Garage. With 2 roll-up doors, accessing your stored items has never been easier. These doors glide smoothly, allowing for effortless opening and closing, and they provide a wide entrance for convenient maneuvering of your motorcycles, bikes, or garden tools. Security is a top priority, and the Advance Outdoor Portable Garage understands that. The roll-up doors can be locked, providing an added layer of protection for your valuable belongings. Rest assured that your motorcycles, bikes, or garden tools are safe and secure within this reliable storage shed. Number 5. ShelterLogic Shed in a Box. This ShelterLogic portable carport is an 8x8 triple-layer polyethylene housing. It stands on four 15-gauge high-grade steel frames with premium powder coating for corrosion, rust, and shipping resistance, as well as enhanced aesthetics. The cover is heat-sealed for increased water resistance and protected from UV rays. The cover fits snugly on the frames with the help of its ratchet cover tensioning system and web strap components. The manufacturer also provides a slide-across rail in case you want to tighten the cover manually. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.